Now let's proceed with the problem number 4 using Arduino Uno R3 and with the use of Tinkercad simulation. So we have to write a sketch that prompts the users for 4 test grades. It will be used to determine if a student has earned an A, B, C, D, or F in the class using the following grade cutoffs. Yan, A, B, C, D, F, and so on. So the following, yung mga letter grades dito ay may equivalent sila sa average grade na makukuha natin. A student can graph the lowest exam score of the 4 exam scores. Therefore, the program should find the average of the 3 highest grades and print this average. It should also print a message stating the letter grade by earned in the course. To roughly test your program with data that calculates a grade for each letter grade. Also, be sure that the lowest grade is not included in the calculation, independent of whether it is the first, second, third, or fourth test score entered by the user. See sample run. So this is the sample run, yung kulay blue, yung colored text. Yan. So i-dissect natin kung ano ba yung problem for or kung ano bang ipaprogram natin sa Arduino. So etong problem na to pinangalanan ko na determining student grade. Since problem natin, i-determine natin yung average grade or test grade ng mga student or yung mga input nila. So, yung conditions, prompt user for test grade. So, kailangan yung gawin natin yung program, kung tatanong muna siya sa users kung ano ba yung mga test grades ng kanyang exam for test grades. Then after nun, ika-calculate yung average 3 ng highest grades. Katulad na nakalagay din sa problem. So, i-drop na natin yung lowest grade. Hindi siya kasama sa average grade. So, yung tatlong highest grade lang. Determine letter grade based on the grade cutoffs. So, kung ano makuha nating average grade, mali-determine natin kung ano bang letter grade yung equivalent nila. So, dito naman may kita natin yung grade cutoff. So, itong A is greater than or equal to 90%, B, 80% to 89.99%, C is equivalent to 70 to 79.99%, D, 60 to 69.99%, and yung F is less than 60. Yun. So, yung sample inputs doon, nakita naman natin yung highlighted na kulay blue. Enter exam 1 score. Ito yung enter natin, try natin ito mamaya, yung 87.3, 89.2, 78.7, and 90.3. So, without further ado, let's try it with the Tinkercad. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa Tinkercad and let's code. Unang gagawin is to define the variables, the exam 1 to 4, and the lowest grade, average grade, and serial available begin para i-set up natin yung Arduino natin na makonect sa ating PC or laptop.
So, yung sunod naman natin gagawin is yung void calculate grade. So, doon natin i-store yung lowest grade and average grade. And yung mga compute doon, magagamit natin sa print result mamaya. Divide by 3. Yan, after na to, sunod naman natin is yung void print result. Dito sa print result, ipiprint na natin yung lowest grade, average grade, syempre yung hate, and of course yung condition natin. Sa condition natin mamaya, ang gagawin naman natin is if condition and copy na lang tayo. Ibayin na lang yung else if at saka yung equivalent grade and yung letter grade.
para makita natin kung working ba yung code na ginawa natin sa Arduino. Pinitin lang natin search simulation. Pinitin natin yung serial monitor. I-test na natin yung grade. 7.3, 89.2, 78.7. Taas pa natin para makita natin. And 90.3. Yan na. Your lowest exam core 78.7, 88.93, and yeah. Yan na. So it's working.